Good morning, Mia. Today is a very special day.
Really? What makes today special, Mommy?
Today is the 4th of July.
Oh, Independence Day.
Happy 4th of July!
Happy 4th of July,
Noah.
Breakfast is served.
Wow! You're a pancake superhero!
Thank you for helping.
I love helping.
Here's the pancake airplane. Here comes the pancake airplane.
Landing successful.
Everyone looks excited today. Yes, it's a day of celebration.
Families celebrate together with picnics, music, and fireworks later in joy.
I can't wait.
Can we go to the parade?
Of course!
I want to see the marching band!
Are you both ready?
Yes!
Oh no! This picnic basket is so heavy!
Thanks, Mia. We help each other.
Let's make wonderful memories today!
Today is going to be amazing!
Every adventure begins with a happy family.
You look wonderful today. Mia?
Thank you, Mommy.
Mia, are you ready?
Yes! Let's go!
Who's ready for a family adventure?
We are!
What a beautiful morning.
Perfect for celebrating together.
The butterflies look so beautiful.
Wait for me, little butterfly.
Let's watch them gently.
Okay, Mommy.
Teamwork makes every picnic better.
Everything looks delicious. Let's have fun together. Wow! Everyone is so happy today.
Freedom means we can live, learn, and dream together.
Today reminds us to be thankful for peace, family, and kindness.
Happy Independence Day!
Let's celebrate together.
Family time is my favorite celebration.
I love spending this special day with my family.
That makes my heart happy.
The park looks magical.
Wow! They shine like little stars.
Let's enjoy the music together.
Stay close, sweetheart.
Okay, Mommy. Music filled every happy heart. Music filled every happy heart.
This song makes me smile.
Look, Noah. Everyone is celebrating.
The park feels so happy today.
Smile, everyone.
Come closer, everyone.
Family picture time.
3, 2, 1. Smile.
That was such a fun picture.
Happy Independence Day!
Picnics are so much fun.
Everything tastes better outside.
Here's some fresh juice.
Careful, buddy.
Thanks, Dad.
This is my favorite holiday.
Mine too.
Nothing is better than family time.
Here you go, little buddy.
Thank you, Dad.
It's so beautiful.
Everyone celebrated together.
You can have mine.
That was very kind.
Kind hearts make America stronger.
Everyone feels like one big family.
Perfect place for our family picnic.
Let's enjoy this special evening together.
Everything is ready.
Now our picnic looks super patriotic.
Stay hydrated before the fireworks.
Thanks, Dad.
You look ready for the celebration.
Thank you, Mommy.
The fireworks will begin soon.
Seeing you happy makes me happy too. The sky is getting darker. Let's enjoy every beautiful moment.
This is going to be amazing. Wow, everything looks so beautiful.
It's like a big birthday party for America.
I can't wait for the fireworks.
Me neither.
Soon the whole sky will sparkle.
Days like this remind us how wonderful family time is.
This is the best Independence Day ever.
The fireworks are about to begin.
It's almost time.
I'm so excited.
The first firework lights up the night.
They're beautiful.
Best Independence Day ever.
A day filled with freedom, family, kindness, and happy memories.
Wow, the sky looks like a rainbow.
Look! That one is huge!
Smile, everyone. This is a memory forever.
It's so beautiful.
Look! Red, blue, white.
These memories will last forever.
The best celebrations are shared with family. The night sparkled with hope, joy, and freedom.
I'm happy we're together.
Me too.
They're making wonderful memories.
The best gift is time together.
That was amazing.
Can we come again next year?
These are the moments I treasure most.
I'll remember tonight. Forever.
That was amazing!
Time to head home.
Let's stay warm.
Goodbye, beautiful fireworks.
Today was unforgettable.
Absolutely.
Goodbye. Happy Independence Day.
Let's keep our park clean.
Great job. Every little action helps. A clean park makes everyone smile.
My little heroes.
Today was the best day.
I will remember it forever.
Our family made wonderful memories.
Happy Independence Day.
Today was the best day.
Home is where our happiest memories begin. Home, sweet home.
I want to remember today forever.
We captured wonderful memories.
Who wants something cold to drink?
Me!
Let's look at today's adventure.
Look at Noah's funny face.
Hey! I was excited.
Here you go. Nice and refreshing.
Cheers! Happy Independence Day!
Days like this are priceless.
My favorite part was spending time together.
These memories will stay in my heart.
Every picture tells a story.
Today was our happiest story. I can't wait for next year.
Remember today with love and gratitude.
Freedom shines brightest when we care for one another.
Happy Independence Day!
See you next time!